Do you want to command more attention, speak with authority, and be seen as a leader? I'm David Pope. Starting at the BBC, I've coached hundreds of business and legal professionals across Asia, from CEOs and senior partners to young executives and TEDx speakers. And the most important qualities I've discovered from my years of coaching is that great leaders always have great voices and great presence. In other words, they all have gravitas. I've also seen how these qualities can be developed because for many people, they don't come naturally. So I created a special course, Projecting Leadership, to give you the skills you need to look and sound like a leader.
In this course, I'm going to teach you how to master your voice and presence, speak with confidence and authority, and project leadership.
I'm passionate about helping you wherever you are in your career to find a strong, confident, and authentic voice for work, for leadership, for life.
To transform your voice and presence, click the link in the description. Let's get started. Use your best voice with All Voice Talent.